Hi, how are you?
Today was just one of those days. Where do I begin? My car wouldn't start, so I had to walk to work. And as I was walking to work, it began to rain. My dog is sick and was puking all around the house.
Oh my.
I lost my debit card, and my foot got run over, and I lost it too. But how are you?
I'm good, you know. Can't complain. People who get like super personal with me straight off the back makes me so uneasy. Like when I say hi, how are you? I honestly and truly just want to hear, oh, I'm good, or I'm okay, things can be better. I do not want to know what happened from as soon as you woke up to the end of the day to the next day morning. Like whoa, 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 whoa. That's just more than I can handle. I don't know if I just have that inviting face that says, please tell me your lifetime story. I don't know if I have that, but a part of me wish I did not look friendly, hence maybe why I'm always trying to be serious. The worst is when I'm at work, and I just have to sit there like, yeah, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope your day gets better. When actuality, I'm like, come up my face at that bummer ass clap, me can't deal. I don't want to hear this fuckery here. So like, that's how I really want to be. I just want my papa to kick in quick as hell, but I'm at work. So there's nothing I can do about it. And even when I'm not at work, it's like super awkward for me to be like, listen, I don't care. Shut up. Leave me alone. Because I'm rude, but I'm not that... No, I'm rude, but like I said, I'm not that rude. Like I said, it's just eeks. It's just so cringeworthy. Like, please, when somebody asks you how are you and you do not know them, do not give them your lifetime story because it's uncomfortable, it's weird, and honestly, I don't trust people that trust me so quickly to tell me all of their business. But if you guys like what you see and like what you hear, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Yay.